Okay, so let's be honest for a moment. Have you ever found yourself saying, if I could just earn a little bit more money, everything would be okay financially? And I think most of us have said that at one point or another. And to be fair, when money is tight, a bigger salary really does feel like the answer. But one thing that I've observed through the coaching sessions that I conduct is, while a bigger salary can change your income, it doesn't automatically change your financial future. And I want you to think about this for a moment. Have you ever met someone who earns a really good salary, yet they're constantly under pressure financially? And then you meet someone else who earns much less, yet somehow they're always in control of their money. How do you explain that? Because if a salary alone determines financial success, then surely everyone with a high income will be wealthy. But that's clearly not the case, at least from what I've observed, which makes me to think maybe the real issue isn't simply how much money comes into your hands. Maybe it's what happens after the money gets to your hands. And that's where I think many people get it wrong. We spend so much time focusing on increasing our income that we neglect improving our stewardship. Yet stewardship is what determines whether money stays with us long enough for it to make a change in our future. Think about it. And we can take it to lotto winners for a moment. Many of them receive money, they receive more money than they could ever imagine possible. Yet, surprisingly, and the number of the winners that end up where they started financially is just out of this world. The money changed, but the habits, they did not change. And the opposite is true as well. There are people earning ordinary salaries, yet they build wealth year after year. They are not doing anything spectacular. They're simply making wise decisions constantly. What I've come to realize is that wealth isn't reserved for people with the biggest salaries. In most cases, it's built by people who become excellent stewards of whatever they've been entrusted with. So instead of asking, how can I earn more? Maybe a better question is, how well am I managing what I already have? And that's where the journey really begins. The first change isn't your salary. The first change is in your thinking. Once your thinking changes, your decisions begin to change. Once the decisions begin to change, your habits begin to change, and over time, those habits begin to change your financial future. And what's interesting is this isn't just a financial principle; it's also a biblical principle. Listen to what Jesus says in Luke 16, verse 10. Whoever can Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. And whoever is dishonest with the little will also be dishonest with much. Think about that for a moment. It's our faithfulness with what we already have. Jesus isn't talking about a salary, he's talking about stewardship. He's teaching us that faithfulness doesn't begin when you have more. It begins with what you have already, what you have right now. And I think that's a lesson many of us often overlook. Sometimes we find ourselves saying, Lord, if you would just give me more money, I would manage it better. But maybe the better prayer is, Lord, help me to become a better steward of what you've already entrusted me with. Because what qualifies us for more isn't simply our desire. If I cannot manage 5,000 well, what makes me to think that I will suddenly manage 50,000 well? If I cannot steward 20,000 wisely, why would I assume that 200,000 will solve the problem? More money doesn't automatically create better stewardship. Instead, better stewardship prepares us to handle more money. And I think that's one of the most freeing financial lessons we can ever learn. Your salary may determine what comes into your hands, but your stewardship actually determines what stays there and ultimately how far it can take you. My name is Swazi, and if you found this video interesting, please subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time. Cheers.